If your GMC Sierra infotainment screen goes black when you plug in for Apple CarPlay, here is how to get it back online. The good news is that 80% of these connection issues are resolved by simple software resets rather than hardware failure. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by cleaning your phone port, swapping the cable, and toggling off wireless projection to isolate the issue. If the hardware checks fail, try a system reboot by holding the power button until the GMC logo reappears. Sometimes corrupted connection profiles require a network settings reset on your iPhone to force a fresh handshake. If you have tried every reset and the screen stays black, you might be looking at a faulty USB hub or HMI module. Data shows that a faulty cable is the overwhelming cause of these connection failures in modern GMC trucks. A full factory reset of your infotainment system is the final software card to play before visiting a dealer. Keep a high-quality certified cable in your glove box to quickly rule out hardware connectivity issues on the road. Remember that persistence with the cable and the reboot cycle fixes most GMC screen issues before you spend a dime. If these steps helped you get your CarPlay back, hit that subscribe button for more GMC troubleshooting guides.